Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Sharita and the name of my channel is Unique by Sharita. Welcome. So in today's video, we'll be decorating our kitchen nook for Mother's Day. We have a new light fixture and I also will be unboxing some new chairs I purchased as well as decorate this space for Mother's Day. So now I'm unboxing my new luxury modern chandelier from Mod Lighting. Mod Lighting is sponsoring today's video, so thank you Mod Lighting for sponsoring today's video. I chose their 8-bulb chandelier from the Angelica collection, and this chandelier has several options. You can get a 6-bulb, a 10-bulb. You can also get it in rectangular, and they also have more of a cluster style to choose from. I chose the round because I feel like it will complement my dining room table. This Angelica chandelier complements a variety of interior design styles. It can also be made dimmable, so yes, I will be adding a dimmer switch. She is made from copper with a luxurious bronze finish. She is 36 inches round with 59 inches of adjustable cord for hanging. So this is where I get a little creative. I am trying to measure and cut my hanging wire all even. So what I did was use the old drapery rod. I fed the cord through the drapery rod and cut it off. I definitely could have just taken some inches off the end now that I think about it. Oh well, that worked and it was creative and we got it done. So I grouped them all together, fed them through the housing, and we took down the old chandelier. And don't get me wrong, I really did like my old chandelier, but it did not put out enough lighting, and especially with one bulb. This one has 8 G9 LED bulbs and they're a warm light but not too bright, if you know what I mean. So it's a warm, bright light, enough lighting for this space. I've already added the LED bulbs and now I'm just adding the light bulb covers. Absolutely love these. They're really heavy and they kind of screw on. So there's a little metal screw on the inside and I just went around and screwed them all on, and my husband came back in and we did a double check to make sure it was level. It's really easy to level. They have some little screws in the housing that holds the adjustable cord for hanging, and we just used a level on the main body of the chandelier and adjusted our cord, and that was it. Look at this beautiful light. Absolutely love it. If you know me, you know that is the one thing I complained about in this space, that the last light I just took down did not put out enough light. I absolutely love this one from Mod Lighting. So thank you, Mod Lighting, for sponsoring today's video. I'll leave a link in the description for this chandelier. If you purchase through my link, you'll get 15% off your purchase now through July 13, 2024. Let's go ahead and unbox our new chairs. I ordered these offline and they came right in time for my Mother's Day brunch, and I absolutely love them. It goes really nicely with everything in this space. I like the fact that they're low back so I can see majority of the table. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox these chairs and assemble them. Now I only purchased 4. This table can hold 6 chairs, but I didn't want to fill up the table with chairs because I love the base of my table. That was why I purchased it. And I do have a link to my table as well, so I'll share that in the description. I used a glass tabletop I already had on this table. This is a 60-inch table, so I'll check back with you all later. All right, so these chairs came in a set of 2, and I went ahead and unboxed and assembled the last set off camera. So let's go ahead and continue decorating the space. I'm just going to add some items I already had. We're just trying to marry the 2 rooms, or the vision for the 2 rooms, together. My Tablescape, I decided to mix something old and new. These plates are new. They're actually saucers. I picked those up from Hobby Lobby, as well as the larger ones. They're absolutely gorgeous. You can use them any time of the year. And those plates, the pink ones, are from Hobby Lobby as well. I already had the small saucers. I purchased those from Home Goods. And I'm just showing you how we can mix and match patterns to give a different plate setting. And these are some gorgeous ones. They sell these also at the gallery, and I wanted to show a black and white pattern along with the floral pattern, and then I showed you the black and white on black and white as well. Let's go ahead and decorate the table. We're going to first bring our new dining chairs back in the space. They're absolutely gorgeous. The pattern on them is very nice, and I love the tone of the gold that's on the chairs. These will hold up to 350 pounds. Just a pack of greenery and a dozen of roses. Absolutely love these roses. And anytime you have a rose that is closed, there are so many tricks you can do to open them up. We're just going to use the method where you turn them upside down and kind of use your hand to twirl them. As you can see, they did open up pretty good. You can also peel your rosebuds back, and that'll do the job as well. Real easy to do. I did the rest of them off camera, and we're going to add all of the roses to this nice cold chilled ice water in the vase. I'm not a pro at this. I just want them to look good. So now we're just going to add some greenery to these roses, and we should be good. Real easy. I'm just going to spread them around and place them in such a way that they look good. Now that the flower arrangement is done, we're just going to add these lucite and gold lanterns to the table, and we're going to continue on decorating the table. These placemats are already had. And I decided to use the pink ruffled dinner plates from Hobby Lobby. They were $4.99, and I paired them with the ceramic oval floral plate. This one does have a gold rim. They're really pretty. So we're just going to add these really large wine glasses. Then we're going to add our flatware. I chose the gold for this plate setting. And I'm also going to do a cute little napkin arrangement. So I originally tried to find the green flower napkin rings. I found 4 pink napkin rings, and they only had 3 of the green. So I tried to do the mix match thing. I really like the green ones by themselves. I didn't want too much pink on the table, but we did go with the pink and green, and I went every other. There's only 4 settings, so they turned out really nice. Also ordered some really thin napkins from Amazon. They were really pretty. They came in green, this color green, as well as a rose color. Didn't like the rose color so much, but this was perfect for the look that I was going for. Also found these cute little butterflies at Amazon. They are cute. I decided to add them to the stem of the wine glasses. I started off just adding one, and then I was like, oh, one more wouldn't hurt. And I want them to look like they're just floating. So I kind of winded it around that stem, and they turned out really pretty. This was a fun day, and this is how the space looks now. I absolutely love the way everything looks together. absolutely love my new chandelier from Mod Lighting. Definitely gave this area a luxe look. I can't wait to add my dimmer so we can kind of control the lighting over here. And that place setting turned out really nice. I love my space. And I'm going to show a clip of the two rooms together, as well as how this dining area looks without the tablescape, because I don't necessarily leave a tablescape out all year. I just did it for the upcoming holiday, which was Mother's Day, and I left the roses on the table along with those lanterns, and I absolutely love how this area is looking. I did share the rest of this space on another video, so if you haven't seen it, please check it out. But I definitely wanted you to see how these two rooms look together with the new light fixture, new chairs, and of course, we're going to be on the lookout for a rug. Once again, Mod Lighting for sponsoring today's video, and be sure to look for the link in the description so you can take advantage of the 15% off now through July 13th. And here is a closer look of my new chairs. I'll leave a link to these in the description, as well as majority of the items in the space. Thank you for watching my videos. If you haven't already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, turn your notification on so you'll be notified when I post videos. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to like, share, and comment. It really does help my channel. Have a great day.